Hi everyone, I'm Anagha from Access Language School, and in this video let us discuss about how can we read a reading passage. Now most of us are trained for finding answers to the questions which are provided, but we fail to understand the way in which we should read a passage. So here, in the initial 2 to 3 minutes, try to skim through the passage as we have already discussed. Why do we always advocate or always tell you to skim through the passage? Because it helps you to form a general understanding, a proper essence and a proper gist of the entire passage. After this, move towards the questions and try to locate the keywords which are provided in the questions. After finding the keywords in the questions, go and scan for these keywords in the reading passage which is provided, which you will definitely find out at least some of the keywords. After you have finished that stage, try reading the entire passage in detail, word by word, line by line, if the time permits. In this way, you can formulate an overall understanding of the passage which is provided, which will greatly help you out in order to locate your answers. Now, something to be noted or something to be kept in mind, which most of the students ignore. They do not read the instructions which are provided before the commencement of the passage. There are a set of instructions which you receive before the beginning of a question. Try to go through those instructions. Try to read those instructions and form a general understanding of that so that you will be able to align your answers properly according to the questions which is provided. So, next time when you receive a reading passage, if you're while preparing for the exam or maybe while writing the exam, try out this new method which will greatly show you a difference and experience the difference for yourself. I hope it was useful and informative. Thank you.